What's going on, folks? Mark, DLUX Motorsports. Today we got a 21 F150 hitting the market right here on the YouTube. This truck has just over 107,000 miles. It is priced to sell, I promise you. Make sure you guys head over to the website for the price, and maybe at the end of this video I'll give you guys a custom price that you guys won't even see online. Anyway, truck's rocking a set of Nitto Ridge Grapplers, KMC wheels. I believe it's a 3-inch RC kit. Mechanically extremely nice, no issues. The paint, body, exterior, phenomenal shape. Satin black finished bumpers, spray and bed liner. I'm gonna try to point out any damage I see. A little spot right there on the corner. I think it's maybe the customer's, girlfriend or wife got pissed at him and backed into him with a little bicycle or something. Anyway, body's in extremely good shape. KMC wheels looking fire. Truck's a little dirty because of the gravel car lot, but that's going to be fixed this year with a new set of pavement to the ground. Come on now. Interior's fabulous, man. Rubber floors, you can wipe them right up. Third jump seats, you got a 40-20-40 front. This thing still has the good big screen. Again, like I said, this is a 2021, folks. Good old 2021. Back seats pretty much never been sat in. The guy that we sold the other truck to, that traded this one in, it was just him, no kids, no women, just him, all by himself. So the truck shows it too. It shows, that guy took care of it, no question. Maybe a couple rock chips, maybe a few rock chips in the front. Like I said, this truck has 107,000 miles, and it literally looks like it's probably got 30,000 miles. Cosmetically, mechanically, everything is top-notch. 140-point inspection has been fully serviced through the service shop, so nothing outstanding. Tires have at least 60-70% tread left on them. Again, 2021 Ford F150. I think this has got the 3-liter in it, 3.3 or something. I can't remember. Anyway, my website will have all the information. So let me give you guys a shot of the driver's side again real quick. I'll show you guys the undercarriage as well. Steering wheel seat has just a little bit of wear right there on the foam. Like I said, the back seat's pretty much like brand new. I don't even see one ass cheek print in the back of the back seats. Tires, super deep on tread. Frame, zero rust. Again, wheels in good shape, no curb rash. So overall, it looks like there's maybe a light rub mark right there on the flare. That might come off. Anyway, dude, 2021, this truck's in excellent shape still for sure. 107,000 miles. If you guys have any questions, give us a call direct, 843-697-7501. Again, it's your boy Mark right here on the YouTube channel. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like and subscribe. So the next video, we're posting daily of new trucks that we get ready for sale. So if you're in the market for I'm talking lifted truck, custom truck, sports car, any of that type of stuff, we are an adult toy store for men. Okay? Get that right. All right, next video, it's your boy Mark. I'm out of here. Peace.